Have you ever pondered why India is often referred to as the soul of the world? The reasons are as diverse and complex as India itself, a nation steeped in a rich tapestry of history, culture, and spirituality that has captivated the hearts and minds of individuals across the globe. Dive back in time to the days of the ancient Indus Valley civilization, one of the world's earliest urban cultures. Flourishing around 5,000 years ago, this civilization was marked by remarkable city planning, with well-arranged streets, advanced drainage systems, and impressive architecture. It was a society that valued order, cleanliness, and community, values that still resonate in Indian society today. Fast forward a few centuries to the era of the Maurya Empire, a period of political unity and administrative efficiency. Under the rule of Ashoka, the empire embraced Buddhism and spread its teachings beyond its borders, marking the beginning of India's influence as a spiritual leader in the world. Now shift to the classical age of the Gupta Empire, often referred to as the Golden Age of India. This period witnessed a cultural and scientific renaissance with significant advancements in arts, science, technology, and philosophy. The world-renowned concept of zero and the decimal system took birth during this time, echoing the intellectual prowess of ancient India. The Middle Ages saw the rise of several powerful kingdoms and the arrival of diverse cultures. The Mughals, in particular, left an indelible mark on India's architectural landscape with majestic structures like the Taj Mahal. This period also witnessed a surge in the popularity of Bhakti and Sufi movements, emphasizing love, devotion, and a personal connection with the divine, further strengthening India's spiritual identity. The colonial era that followed introduced India to the Western world. Despite the trials and tribulations, India's struggle for independence became a beacon of nonviolent resistance, inspiring countless liberation movements worldwide. The philosophies of leaders like Mahatma Gandhi continue to resonate globally, reinforcing India's status as the world's soul. In the present day, India stands as a vibrant mosaic of cultures, traditions, and languages. It is a country where ancient practices like yoga and Ayurveda thrive alongside modern technology and innovation. A nation where diverse faiths coexist peacefully. Its rich philosophical traditions, from the teachings of Vedanta to the principles of Dharma, continue to offer spiritual and moral guidance to millions around the globe. To summarize, India, with its rich history, diverse culture, spiritual depth, and philosophical wisdom, has always been more than just a geographical entity. It's a living, breathing entity that has consistently shaped and influenced the world. From the orderliness of the Indus Valley, the spiritual outreach of the Maurya Empire, the intellectual contributions of the Gupta era, the cultural amalgamation of the Middle Ages, the nonviolent resistance of the colonial period, to the present-day blend of tradition and modernity, India truly embodies the soul of the world. And so it is no wonder that India, with its enduring legacy and spiritual depth, is often referred to as the soul of the world. A beacon of light that continues to shine, illuminating the path for humanity.